Hello po, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po, VP Choice Award, for this recognition. Thank you po sa family ko, sa Star Magic family, PBB family, to my friends. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigay nyo. And hindi ito mangyayari lahat kung wala din ang aking mga fans. Maraming salamat po. Inang, thank you.
VPCA's Fandom of the Year Award aims to acknowledge the most passionate fandom in the Philippine entertainment industry. These dedicated fans exhibit unwavering support for their idol celebrities and actively engage in social media discussions.
The nominees for Fandom of the Year are JM Fiang, Blooms, Jar Fiang, 18, Bubblies, Jarlet.
Now, a VPCA Hall of Famer. The VP Choice Award goes to JM Fiang for JM Ibarra and Fiang Smith.
Ayun, hello everyone. Magandang gabi ho sa ating lahat. At first of all, we'd like to thank VP Choice Awards and sa lahat ng tao na nasa likod ng programang ito. Maraming salamat. At ayun, thank you for this opportunity. Also for this kind of recognition. Maraming salamat po sa ABS-CBN, sa Magic Family. Thank you so much po. And of course, sa fandom namin, JM Fiang Fandom. maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta nyo. Deserve nyo tong titulong to. No? Walang iba kundi kayo. At ayun, maraming salamat. Enjoy the night.
VPCA's Love Team of the Year Award aims to recognize the people's favorite celebrity pair, also known as Love Team, who have been actively featured in television series, radio shows, and movie projects. They have become the talk of the town due to their natural chemistry, both on-screen and off-screen.
The nominees for Love Team of the Year are JM Fiang, Don Bell, KD Lex, Mathon, Kim Pao, Jarlet.
Also a VPCA Hall of Famer, the VP Choice Award goes to JM Fiang, JM Ibarra, and Fiang Smith.
Thank you, Matt Cruz and Ray Solmar, to cap the